introduced the new Awamafia Togbi Sri III to all his people. As expected, attendance at the 2011 celebration was huge and unprecedented. On the eve of the Saturday's Deva, most of the principal streets of Anglogan were teeming with people from all walks of life. One of the most important rituals performed during the celebration is Nogbidodo or reconciliation. Reconciliation takes place every first Thursday in November, and the Awamafia plays a key role in the performance of the rituals. In the morning, the acolytes and adherents of the shrines to be visited by the Awamafia assembled in a house directly opposite Agoponu, the venue for the ritual, and waited for the Abadada and the Awamafia. The Abadada was the first to arrive. He poured libation to the gods. Later, the Awamafia resplendent and chief priest attire arrived. He wears the ceremonial dress once a year, only on this occasion. Soon after his arrival, the acolytes and adherents escorted both Awamafia and Avadada to the shrines. The shrines being visited now remained dormant for over 40 years, while the late Adelaja II remained on the throne. Being a Bate clan ruler, he was paying homage to only Bate clan shrines, as demanded by tradition. But for now, all those Bate shrines shall remain partially inactive for some years. The Awamafia, being an Ajovia clan ruler, was led to 4 very important shrines, supervised by the members of that clan, where he paid homage to the gods, and at the same time informed and invited them to take part in the reconciliation process. The shrines he visited were Asima Tonui, Tomi, Togbi Nibla, and Kwipe. After these visitations, the Awamafia and his attendants returned to Agoponu. Before they took their seats, they sang and circled the compound 7 times. On this occasion, the Awamafia assumes the role of the chief priest of the Anglo state, and so he must sit under this special hat. No other personality is permitted to sit there. It will be recalled that in 2002, when the Avadada played the role of the Awamafia, he sat outside the hut, as on this very occasion.
Kaka Awamafia la yenye tana suba ha de shade religious bodies alaba no afia ro duvo ya he toro ni ro enya la peuple mladia be wo doga no wo fia kon ne fo wo kwa na mia fa trongo mia cho trongo ma ba Tana Suba Haon, the head of the religious bodies. I naipa popular tenoga, Suba Tanga, Yipa Quanying Sosra Tenoga, Ujingwa Madam. In your confinement, allo a dedaho. Yo la fima, O la Ginivo, Gavabo, ye have a strong one. Trongo makwa yagava hotana trongo kataka subo ha kataka alaba nagba magbaru aba ngbido pa no yaga rofima ko subo ha bubu ara kama galangwanu
angroduko otikla yaba mawo tron ale be afi miawo ŋusia ŋua ya abe etatɔ na edze be wòklẽ trɔwo be rɔŋlɔdukɔkɔnu aɖe wɔ ge ale be susu ma ita wòzɔna va lilia fɔ trɔwo be mɔnu eklã na wo yi katã nye gbɔgbɔme ƒe nya.